Hi Gloria, this is Joe with Metro Design. I'm shooting this video for you as promised. I just wanted to point out 3 things you can do to rank your website on Google and start bringing in more customers so you can grow out your awesome business. Alright, so first thing is first, Google loves content. Okay, content is super important to Google. So they're looking for about 1,000 or 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. Okay, now obviously that's a lot of words, and very few people are going to read those, but Google will, and they're going to know that you are the subject matter expert compared to somebody that only has, a couple hundred words on their homepage. All right, so when we scroll, this is your competitor's site, okay, and Google is reading all of their words, and they're coming up with about 1,000 words. Rank them in this area. You're going to want, to do that 1,500 word goal. Okay. You can also add in keywords. Okay, and keywords are what people are searching for on Google in this area. Okay, so for example, so this would be a keyword right here. Okay, this would be something that somebody would type on Google, and when you start ranking for this keyword and many others, your website's going to pop up number 1, and they're going to be able to find your website. Alright, so pretty awesome. Another thing Google loves is big built-out websites, okay, and that means the more pages you have on your website, the better. Okay, so right now you can see he has about 6 pages on his website. To beat him in this area, you're going to want to add as many pages as you can. Right, so all of your services needs to be their own pages. Okay, that'll definitely help make your website a lot bigger. Okay, and then on your service pages, Google is still looking for content, so they're looking for about 500 to 700 words on your back pages. All right, so content is super important, and then big built-out websites are super important to Google as well. Next, we're going to talk about the map pack. Okay, everybody knows what the map pack is, right? Everybody knows once you get here, your phone is going to start blowing up. You're going to start getting a lot more customers, but very few people know how to get here. Okay, and how you get here is high-star reviews, good pictures, good business description with keywords, but more importantly, citations. Okay, and citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites like Facebook, Yelp, White Pages, bbb.org. Okay, just to name a few, there's hundreds of citation websites out there. And then we use a tool called Whitespark. We can go find how many citations your number 1 competitor has, and then you're going to want to go get as many citations as they do, and then some. Okay, so super simple. Go get citations. Okay, and then also build out your Google My Business profile so it's ready to rank number 1 and start bringing in those calls. And then lastly is backlinks. Okay, backlinks are super important for ranking your website on Google. And if you have good quality backlinks, your website's going to rank on Google a lot faster. All right, you can have a perfect website, awesome website, but if you don't have backlinks on your website is just going to stay at the bottom and nobody's ever going to see it. All right, so that's where backlinks come in, and that's why they're super important. And then backlinks, basically like a popularity contest between websites. Okay, the more websites you have pointing back to you through a link that somebody can click on, Google thinks you are more credible, right? So they're going to boost you to the top. All right, so you can see your competition has 18 websites pointing back to him through backlinks. Okay, so we want to go out there and get 18 good quality backlinks and then some to outrank his website. All right, you can also see how many keywords he has. Okay, 24. Remember, keywords are what people are searching for on Google in this area, so we definitely want as many keywords that we can get. Okay, and because he has an awesome website, because of the keywords he's ranking for, and because of his credibility source through backlinks, he's bringing in about 100 customers per month to his website. All right, so that's pretty awesome, right? Definitely shows you the potential of having a website and what that can do for your business. Okay, so That's all I really wanted to show you, was those 3 things you can do to boost your online presence on Google. I hope you liked the video. Hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to me if you have any questions or would like any help on implementing what I shared in this video. My number is 515-468-3039. I hope to hear from you soon. I'll call you tomorrow to get some feedback. So thanks for watching and have a great day.